Hi, hello, good morning. I think, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Uh, actually, today we have actually the continuation of the BPT problems only. Like, I think last Tuesday we have solved that within 1 hour, four or three problems. Now we go for the problem number two. But before going for that, have you written this OPP examination?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel about it?
Sir, like I am very weak in bash looping. Like sand and awk, I can handle very easily.
Hmm. SCD and AWK is okay. Then what about others? Hello. You said something else, right?
Yes, sir. I have like problem while writing the loop in bash script.
Okay, okay, okay. Iteration kind of bashing script. Okay, okay. How many problems you solved?
I solved two problems for sand and awk.
Okay, okay. Said and out is okay, fine. Yeah. Maybe any kind of comments from your friends or peers? How do you feel that paper is easy, moderate, or tough? No, just to understand the level of question paper. What is the difficulty level? Did you understand? Not your
Because I
opinion.
don't
Maybe
know
you maybe
bash
you
script, so it will be difficult. No?
That's okay. Other peers, anybody you have discussed with them?
No.
No. Okay. 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 Fine. Yeah. Yeah. Jagannath, then have you written then OPP? Oh. So how do you feel that the difficulty level of question people? Just to know that. That's it. Okay. It's hard. Okay. Fine. Fine. Yeah. Yeah. That's okay. Let me share my screen. Actually, we want to finish up some more PPT problems because it is week number 11. Let me share my entire screen. Yes. Uh, Yeah. Hope my particular terminal is visible. Okay. Yes. Uh, okay. Because let me check that how many problems are there in the BPT. Uh, yeah. Let's go for the root folder. OPT and then CS. Okay. Let me check that. How many problems are there? If it is the second one, we have the second set also four problems. Okay. Okay. Oh, second set also having the four problems. So let me do that one. So I'm going to the root. My root is here, and my C is four folders I have to create for the second set of problems. Okay. MKDER, BPT2, and then problem we have underscore. It's going to be 1, 2, 4. Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, fine. That's great. Yeah. So this is the second set of problems. We want to do that. So let me check that. CDBPT 2 and then problem 1. Yeah, let me maximize this. Synchro show. Let me see that. So writing a bash script, that is script.sh, to extract the country name and its capital from HTML file. So what is the HTML file? They did not give any HTML. Okay. Assume that HTML code of the following format, convert into the format into the sample output. Okay. This one contains the list items. So list item 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. They did not talk about that any kind of order list or unorder list. Okay, fine. That's fine. From this, we need to extract. Okay. This part you need to extract, right? This one. France. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, it is the country name, then followed by the capital, like France, and capital is Paris. Japan, and then capital is Tokyo. Yeah, understood. Canada and capital is Ottawa. Fine. Yeah, that's okay. One after another line. So whatever you extracted lines, that has to be put it. The input will be provided via that standard input of that zeroth parameter and output is that standard output is getting its standard output is ampersand 1, which is when it is executed. Okay, so that I need not take that redirection of input from any file. So that's automatically. The script should not output anything else. That's okay. We don't output anything because you can. But I think it is most suitable one is a grep, because to do that these lines. So these lines part, which I need to extract only the France and this parts you need to extract. Rest of them you can avoid. What are all rest of them? There might be less than symbols, greater than symbols are there, and then backward slash is there. Okay. So what else is there? Quotations are there. Okay, that's okay. Quotations are there. Then what else then? So there are many quotations, one not many. Okay. Now after it, what else is there? I think we have any comma separators. Yes, comma separator is there. I think that's it. More than that, these are okay. Yeah, this is okay. So now let's do that. Actually, this part I want to put it into a file. Then based on it, I can work, because I don't have any kind of standard input. So first, let me take this input as a file so that I can use it for my processing. Okay. So because just let me store that cat some input.txt or HTML file. Okay. Okay. This is to be created so that it's going to be here like this. Okay. Now let me do that. These are all the lines. Sorry, these lines, I don't want the numbers. Okay. So what I do, vi this input.html. This is input. It's taking that HTML format of data. So that's the reason I've taken this one. So actually, standard input only. It is taking from 0th argument and first argument. But I need to process it just to check my particular command how it works. Yeah, that's okay. Now I have to exclude some parts of this one. What should I do is grep command, which I am trying to exclude. Just let me try that excluding part of it. Exclude. So when I want to exclude it, so I need to exclude this not, greater than symbol, less than symbol, then slash. Quotations also we need to exclude. Quotations means it is escape character is required. That's right. Okay. Comma you can need to exclude. Semicolons are not there. Any colons? Yes, colons are there. That has to be excluded. Yeah. So these set of things we need to exclude. Any spaces? Yes, spaces also we need to exclude. And this might be one set or more set. Just let me check that. What way it is processing. So it is taking the input from the file input of that, that is my input.html. Okay, let me check what happens there. Yeah, these parts are excluded one. Excluded part is okay. What should I do then? But we need to include. So this particular alphabets can I include? Exclude part is okay, but include part has to be taken. Include part is alphabets. So then only if alphabets are taken, I can get country name and capital. Country name and capital. I can do that. Okay, just let me extend this command. This is the exclude part. This part is called exclude. I think you got this part, right? This part you got it, right? So whatever I'm trying to exclude, is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I need to include alphabets. Okay. So either it might be capital letter or small letter. So the including part can be the small letters of A to Z or capital letters of A to Z. Okay. So I can do that. Include part is A to Z of small letters or it might be capital letters A to Z of capital. Okay, so this part is include part. Okay, so I can do these are enclosed. I'm sorry, I think some mistake. Yeah, this part is this first part is that include, next part is exclude. Hmm. This is from input. What happened there? Oh, matched output. Correct. Okay. The matched output means let me check my grep manual. How this manual, the grep it contains matched part is having uh, some help I can seek where I can extract the matched part only. Any option here? Yeah, it's hyphen O is there. I can use that one. Correct. Okay. So only matched part it will come. So unmatched one it doesn't. Okay. So I can use this only matched part. Do I need to give this one as processing input? Maybe something like this. Oh, sorry. This is not a command, right? So let me do that. This is a cat here. Then I can direct cat greater than input.html. Then it's this output is sent to the here. Is it invalid option?
So instead of greater than, use pipe.
Okay, okay. Maybe you're right. That's okay, but we have to display that, okay? One or many, it's a space of that. I have to extract that only the country in capital.
So we can use the cut also with the grep
What should I use?
cut command.
Cut command. What is that?
Like we can set the delimiter and we will cut the particular field,
So the delimiter comma, you want to use it? No, I don't need
like
because
comma, or we can use the greater than symbol for as a delimiter.
no. Why? Because there are many less than or greater than symbols are there. It has span, it has this, all these are right. I need to extract only this part, this part. So you need to exclude these things, right? Capital, this word, country name, these parts you need to exclude it.
Yeah, first we pass the file through grep command and then we'll pass to the cut command.
Another grep command you're talking about.
No, first grep command, then cut command, like combining both of them.
So first grep command, then the whatever the output is written, you want to pass it to cut command.
Cut.
I don't think cut is required because it's a matched part and unmatched part I am picking out. That is matched part is grep with hyphen O. That's okay because this is the correct command. Do I need to give just input file? Why it is quite the output matched one and unmatched one. Then symbol comma and let's skip character less than character. Edit to check as capital and small. Okay, these things are included. This part is included. Let me do that one. Just little bit. This. Let us remove this one. Unmatched. This is okay because we are getting all these are alphabets of capital and small. That's okay. This matched part is okay. This matched part is okay. But whenever not matched part is the issue. Okay, not matched part is this. So why it is quite, it is matched part, I need to get it. Do I need to use another grep? So the output, what is written here? Actually, the output, it has to get it, the matched part. The matched part, it is all alphabets you're getting. Let me do the grep with inverse match. It's inverse match of country and this. So what is our file? Let me check that. Cat put.html. So this one it is okay. Now I don't want the country and this country word is not required and capital is not required. So can I do another grep with inverse match? Country, and then because it is piping symbol, there is separation between the first word and second word, and the capital. What happens? We see that whatever output is returned by this part, that's going to be do the invert match. No. That's different. Something we have done a mistake. I don't know why it is. Inverse match of it. Include part is A to Z. I need to use a grep with file name. Is it okay? The file name, can I pass it directly? Because I can try the grep command on the file. Just try to use redirection. That is input.html. This is my file name. Now I do that. The same thing. Same thing here. Put these combinations. Input.html. Whatever we got it, that is been sent to. Oh, something is wrong. I don't know why it is, but yeah, any particular command can you type in the chat box if you have been figured out? Maybe I will jump to the next question because I don't want to spend much time on this because mostly grep is a more suitable. Maybe you can try with others. Okay. So I'm moving to the second problem because I don't know, because once I figure out this part, so then only I can put my script there in the bash script. Do I need to use it synchro? Sure. Just let me read the question once again. Country, and then it's okay. Capital. Okay, somebody pasted something. Country and name, not include of less than, then country and capital. Just let me try this one. So you said it is country name and the country capital. These two should be, this is excluded. This is excluded. Okay, this part is completely, maybe it makes sense. I think so. Just let me try this one. Control C. The same grep command on this part. This part is completely, sorry. Maybe 1 or 4. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay. This part is okay. So it is one quotation. From input.html. Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe. Okay, there is multiple less than and greater than, right? Okay, you have used a single code and then double code. Okay, escaping double code and including this one. Okay. Okay, this is single code. This is double code. Okay. Excluding double code. Now we got that country name and then the country capital, but something is missing, right? See, France we got it, Paris P got it, but Japan we got it, Tokyo T we got it. There is other way to figure out. Complete Tokyo we want. Country name.
So in the last in the command, after the brackets, we have to put the star also.
Okay, one or more, right? Okay, we forgot
Yes, sir.
one or more. First one is one or more. Next one is also one or more. Yes. So now we got this, but this part should be avoided, right?
Yeah, we can use the cut for that.
What should I use? Cut it. You want to use it, cut it, right?
Yes, sir.
Cut based on the delimiter of greater than, right?
Yes, sir.
So if that's the case, this input is process that we are sending to the next command, which is a cut delimiting character, which is greater than. Okay, is it right?
Yes, sir. And minus F2.
Wait, first field and second field. Yeah, two fields are there, and then it is delimiting is okay. Then the second field I wanted F2. Correct. Yes. Perfect question. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, so that's great. That's great. So let me. This is a good combination. Just let me do that. What is script name? Is it synchro show? Yeah, it's a file name is script.sh. Okay. So vi script.sh. Sorry. This is the command, right? Okay. Let's do that. So bash script of it. So bash script by default script we are using user bin bash script. Now we don't need this particular input.html because we are processing through arguments of 0th argument and first argument. I think that's okay because we don't have any file here. Let me do that. Change mode plus x script.sh synchro eval. Yeah, cool. This is good. Yeah, thank you. So great help then. So this is okay, fine. I think we directly went for that, include the country name and country capital. So we are trying to exclude that one or more characters of less than and greater than also. So all put together is one or more, which is excluding part of it. We are processing that input process, and then whatever the output we got it, we are sending to cut command. Yeah, that's okay. Now the PPT to second problem. Synchro show. Yeah. So write a script that checks that whether that the global config or local config directories existed. Yeah, this is pretty simple. You can check that existence of a directory using some conditional structure of if. Okay. So now, and if either of them they do, if they any of the conditions are true, either of them do that, then we create empty file has to be created, that is called default config. So that's only a one if condition is more enough because the existence of these two we need to check it, either global underscore config existed or local underscore config existed. I think it is pretty simple using one if condition. I think, is it okay? I think you got the question. This is a pretty simple question, is it right? A simple if condition. So let's do the script vi script.sh. So writing the bash script, that's ash default scripting of this user bin bash via bash shell we are using. Now writing the if condition, if the existence of a directory, if it is available, that is global underscore config, if this directory is existed, or it might be multiple conditions we are checking, any of them existed. So the same thing, the directory existence of local config, local underscore config. If any of them existed, we try to create a empty file called default config. So these two, it's our condition. Okay. So then we try to check a condition. That checking of the condition is fine. Touch the file that is default underscore config. I think it is a very easy question. Is config just to check the condition with if. So end of the if. Okay. So that's it. Yeah, here I think the space is required because it is checking of the existence of directory. Okay, config is closed, will be closed. Yes. Okay. So now, yeah, it is existence of a directory, either this or that. If any one of them is existed, we create a default config file. So escape of this, change mode, +X, script.sh. Synchro email. Yeah, this is fine because maybe they have used it some test case 1, 2, 3 passed or not. Yeah, this is a pretty simple question. I think you got the question right and answer also. Just simple if condition. Okay. Yeah, I'm moving to the problem number 3. DPPT 2 and then oh sorry, I'm sorry, I have to come out from it. DPPT 2 underscore problem 3. So let's clear all of this. Synchro show. Yeah. This is again writing the script.sh in the current directory, whether it checks that the string database error, that particular string is available inside our app.log file. Maybe app.log file content is this. If the string found, add a timestamp entry for the error one, the timestamp which it was created, maybe this part, right? This is what the timestamp. So what time this particular error was created. Okay, if the string is found, then add that particular entry to error report.log. So we try to investigate app.log file. If the database error kind of words are there, the particular string matching is there, immediately we try to store the particular string inside your error report. The timestamp should be of the current, we are usually choosing the current time and date. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I thought it is this timestamp. We don't need it because current system time is more enough. Okay, refer that sample output. Like if you check it this log, there are database error was detected. Here, this is what the database error line. Okay, and here one more, it is database error line. Okay, these two lines are there. In this, what should I do? Database error found. They said it is database error found. Okay, database error found. You have to show that database error found. That's it, nothing else, right? Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, this is what the small string we need to set it. If small string is found, then we try to figure out that echo output. Echo output contains this part. This part is that inside content. I think you got this, right? I think you got this, right? Echo output is
Yes,
a capital. This is a small letter for setting of that. So possibly we try to use a grep only, but whether my grep is successfully executed or not, we need to check it. That's it, right? I need not print the output of it. Just I need to find out that is there any synchro in it? Is there? If it is app.log file is created, no, it is not there. Maybe app.log is taken. So the particular grep is executed, but it doesn't find out that the output we are not finding. Just we want that a silence output, and quite what kind of quite grep is having a quite facility. So let me do that script.sh. So we write the bash. Right. Bash bin user. I'm sorry. User bin bash. This could be the default one. Now we try to use a grep. It's a quite kind of searching only. Just it searches, the database error is found or not. Database underscore error. If this particular word is found inside of your app.log, this command is failed or success. So if it is failed or success, you can check the status code of it. I think recently executed command status you can figure out using question mark and then followed by this one, right? If it is lss.star, so this script.sh is there. So what is the status of this one? I want to find out it is this one, right? So I'm sorry. Maybe you can try with echo. This echo makes sense, right? This is that exit status of it. Like, it is whether it is. For example, I tried this Z start, ls with Z start. This is not finding anything. So the exit status something we got it. So if the particular one is executed successfully, we'll get that exit status of 0, which is successfully executed without kind of any error. Maybe if you found that any kind of thing, right? That's right. Okay, just a minute. Let me try one more time, because star is a success command followed by this one. It makes 0 because the last command executed is successfully done. So this particular status I can check it using the if condition. So the exit status of which we got it, this exit status I can check with the if condition. If so, my last exit status, if it is equal to 0, that means that it is successfully executed. Then we try to get that current timestamp and as well as printing of database error kind of error. Okay, current date I want to get it, so I can get it by date. This is $date. Current timestamp you are getting. So this date and as well as this particular database error found, these both things we are printing side by side. Echo this this particular date, the dt, and as well as that colon symbol. I don't know whether the colon symbol is there or not. Okay, that's okay. Followed by the database error, right? Database error. Just database error found. I don't know. Just check it. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yes. So this is okay. Okay. I think it is okay because it could be simple question, but only if condition is required. The last executed status we have to find out. Change mode +x .sh. Improve eval. Yeah, mostly done, but let me check that again. The question. Synchro show. What about that? Database error found. Current timestamp with colon symbol. Something is missing.
So we have to append the output in the error report.log also.
Where is it log? Oh, okay. This particular file. Okay. Yeah. The output we don't print it. We want to redirect the output, right? So yeah, that's fine. So this one we don't want to print it. This output has to be redirected to. So this file error report .log. Yeah, that's fine. Because it is trying to run the test case on this, expecting the file should be existing. Still there is issue. It is okay. That's equal to the date, and then the current date we are getting. Is it clear? Any particular date format, nothing else, right? If it is equal to 0, then we try to find out this one. Yeah, that's it. Take +1. Current date we are getting this date, followed by database error, and then database error found. Okay, then it is equal to it.
So we are redirecting the echo in the error report, so it will be overwrite every time. We have to append it now.
No, not appending. I think, is it not? Because they did not tell you. No. I think this date format. I think is it right way to get the date? I think there might be spaces, right? Is it right? Just let me check it. I'm not sure. That's the issue because it is not finding out. Hmm, that's it. No. Well, what you said is maybe you're right. Maybe appending I need to do. That may be true. Instead of that single greater than, I supposed to use. Yes. Quite way we are getting this quite way. Whatever quite way we got it, and that one we are appending. WQ. Try this one. No, that's not right. See here, expected output is this, but error report contains this one. There is a difference in these two. What's the difference? You can find. I22 and then wait.
So on the help of get command, there are several commands also with we combine with that.
Grep command you are combining, right?
No, in the date command.
Wait.
Can you just do date help?
Yeah, that's right. Grep helper.
Date help, date.
No. Can you say it once again?
Can
Date.
you
Okay,
just date help?
date. Okay. I think it's a direct just timestamp, right? Wait.
Actually, I see there are several commands like
Okay, wait. Mandate. Just that date as a string we are getting. Once date as a string we got it, that particular output we are storing into some variable. That variable we are trying to concatenate. Just because if you could see that echo uh, the date. Sorry, I'm sorry. Maybe the date command directly run it, right? Yes. This is the timestamp. I'm getting synchro show. So here you can see that with the date and complete UTC format only, the same thing it is expecting the complete UTC format only. Is it right? No difference of it, right? See, the output is that, yeah, that's same. That's 12 hour UTC 2024 Friday and 10. The same thing it is here. Tuesday and then 9, 5, then 5 o'clock, and then it is UTC format 2025. I think somewhere it is in the issue with my script only. Just I did something wrong. The file then equal to the 0, the recent executed one, which is equal to 0. Then we have to pick out this date. My error report. This is okay. Only this part is same. Let's get app.log cat expected output of txt because it is not processed. That's the reason we did not get it. Eval. Yeah, this is a bracket issue. There might be some issue with my this. Maybe we are trying to figure out this one. This is I actually I have mistaken this one. Okay, the date we got it. Because they are putting it to the variable. I don't think it required any other space there. Just put the date. Do you need it? I don't think it is okay. See how? Oh, that's the reason. That's the reason. I think I have given additional space. Maybe that is not evaluating this variable. Yeah, it is the right way. It is not assigning. I think that's the issue because dt we did not get the current date. So when you did not get the current date, that's the issue. So we are directly picking out the variable equal to value so that it definitely requires this way. Yes, perfect. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I think this is an easy question, but just we are mistaken in eval. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, now the fourth problem. Let me see that whether it is a typical one. PPT two, four. Synchro show. Hmm. This is the CSV file is taken as input, which contains the rows with names and ages. Like the name and age is separated with this, which is individual records. Write a grep command. Actually, they suggested you to write the grep command only. So inside of your script, remove all the rows where the age is not a numeric. So I need to remove this row because it is not a numeric one. And the first row also you need to remove because the title part we need to remove it. Okay. So other parts we need to include. Other part means this one, this record has to be included, this record has to be included, this record has to be included. Create a script.sh. It takes that current working directory only because the input is taken as a standard input. So just we need to pick out the numeric parts only. Other parts, if anything is there, we need to exclude it. So we need to write that excluding part and including part. Using a grep command only. Can we use this method? I need to get the help of this one grep. So what should I use it? So can I use that a normal grep? No, it's extended. Extended rejection. So include the lines with 0 to 9 numbers so that I can include them. One or more. So we need to extract that. One or more commas. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Do I need to use extended regular expression or not? Just let me check it. Okay. So this is okay. Good. Yeah. Now this is the one input we are checking. Do I need to use it? Let me copy this. I need to figure out this one. Control C. PI input text.txt. Okay. So I need this. This is my input. Check my standard input. This is my line. So that third line has to be excluded. First line has to be excluded. Cat input.txt. So what should I do is I need to exclude this comma, then include that 0 and 9 existing one. So grep, I can say that I need to include only that 0 to 9 included numbers. This could be that one or more. So inside of my input.txt. So we get that. Include of it, okay? So do I need to use extended grep? Just let me check it. Yes, I think this is okay. This is okay, fine. So here, extended way, we are trying to find out that include the lines which are that 0 to 9 only. We are the numbers only. The remaining things we are excluding means maybe you'll get it. Yeah, I think it's okay. Pretty simple, I think so. Let me check that. So any other special cases are there? Script.sh. So here there is one of user. bin bash. I think it looks like simple. Just let me try with a grep with extension, extended grep. I'm trying to figure out that. I'm trying to pick out that only 0 to 9 included lines, which are one or more. Okay. Yeah, that input is taken from 0, it's the standard input line, so we don't worry about it. Let me try what kind of inputs they are checking. Change mode. +X script.sh. Synchro. I don't think it is a very easy question because see, they checked it. One more thing is, this one, this particular line, they are trying to check with one number also they prefix instead of az suffix, they try to prefix it. Okay, at end we are trying to include, at beginning we are trying to exclude. I think you got it right. This
Yes, sir. We have to use dollar at the end.
correct. So we have to use it uh, end, not at beginning. So not at beginning means that it should be so we got it, but we need to exclude at beginning. Included ending. Okay. Included ending is okay, but excluded beginning. So exclude things of beginning is
Sir, could you please explain why it is excluded beginning, sir?
actually this particular test case it is checking only at ending, right? Because you are using 0 to 9 excluded at plus means at last. Clear? We are trying to include it, right?
Yes, sir. One or more.
One or more, that's okay, but it is checking at last only, but beginning you might have that numbers, such kind of input they are testing. Beginning it has to be excluded, ending it has to be included, right? That line, your test case, right? There is a 9 line that's given, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that's the thing, it is failing. So that we need to exclude at beginning, include at ending. The numbers can be available at ending, but numbers should not be available at beginning. That lines has to be excluded. What should I do is, I have to check that exclude also, exclude option, that it is not, okay. We need to exclude at beginning because not we have used that big prefix, that is 0 to 9. This is at beginning. So this part is beginning, this part is beginning, this part is ending. So both the things are extended way we are using. Let me check that what happens. I'm sorry. Hmm. Oh, here it is missed all. What really additional input they are checking? This is okay because inverse of that extended way. The first part we need to exclude, second part we need to include. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Actually, this first part and second part, you should say that using parenthesis along with this comparison. Uh, what should I do is, mm, the first part you might have, second part you might not have. Yes, ma'am. So I do that. I do that on this one with this part because this is exclude the first part of field. This could be the maybe that's sorry. This part is okay. This part is not okay. This is here. Let me try this way. Because this part is exclusively 0 to 9, which is first part. I is not there. Why this I? Actually, this might be a wrong character. Maybe I think this part is exclusively first part, exclude. This part is exclusively the last part, include. Because that cap symbol you are using not. No. Something we have made a mistake.
Sir, for exclusion, the hat should be in the
Hmm.
bracket, sir.
Inner bracket, huh? Okay, okay. Maybe you're right. So this part, can I try here? Try it here. I think here it is not right because if it is multiple, okay, maybe we'll try
And
here.
also for beginning, sir, hat symbol should be before.
Just a minute. No, this is here it is failing. See here, this part is failing because it is beginning. There is number that is failing. I do one thing. We write that exclude set of characters and include set of characters is no problem. Non-comma values one or more, all non-comma values. So one or more can I exclude? Yeah, maybe that might be then extended way I can try. What I do here is this part is okay. This part, what I do here is not one or more. Maybe you have one comma or multiple commas, right? So this is one comma inside of it, not include comma. Okay. This might be one or more. This might be one or more. Okay. This might be one comma or more commas, right? So I can do that plus more commas. I think this works. This is okay. Yes. See, look at here. This part is include that. Okay, I'm sorry, one more. This is missing. Correct. Okay. Yeah, this part is, I'm sorry, why this insert button is on. Yeah, this part, what it is talking about is this part is include that one or more, which is in the last. This part is exclude that one or more non-comma values. Non-comma values means it might be excluding alphabets. It might be excluding numbers also. Maybe this works. I'm pretty sure about it. So either one comma or more commas, right? Is it clear? Is it clear? These two parts. Why have you used it? Why have you used this one comma or more commas? But last must have that numbers. Maybe this works. Just a minute, because there is additional special case they are checking. This particular parts are there. These we don't want to include them. These want to be excluded. And the next part is there. The last part we are including is that one or more numbers. Yeah, definitely it works. Yes, perfect. Yeah, see here, this is the interesting input they are checking. They are trying to include a number without a comma. Here, this part is completely, a numeric is included in the line, but it is prefixed. So due to that, this case is failed. So what we done is this script, cat script.sh. There are two things of that regular expression we are using. Yeah, see this one. This part is exclusively one comma or more commas are excluded because of that caret symbol. This part is include that one or more numbers. So that should be last. Yeah, that is, I think you got the point, right? Yes. This could be some interesting question because we have to use it extended grep with some parties excluded, some parties included. Yeah. Yeah, I think these problems are good. Yeah, I think we can close the session. Anything else you want to ask me? Okay. Yeah. So thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Have a nice day. I think we can close the session. I think most of them joined. So what is your comment about your OPP examination, recent one? Do you think it is hard exam or moderate or easy? If anyone is written or anyone is absent, you cannot justify. Any comments on that? Because already existing people has commented. If any other comment from your side, you can tell me that. Oh, this is one more simple. Is it working, Sayed? This grep? Digit way?
Yes, it's working. Yeah, it's working.
Oh, great. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Maybe we have that long approach to do that. excluding non-comma values and including that numerics. Yeah. Can we close session?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.